Okay folks, let me walk you through this installation. First, grab your M8x55 screws and nuts to connect the brackets using those short tube sleeves. Keep them finger tight at present. We will do final adjustments later. When working on the middle section brackets, here is an important tip. The bracket with wider tube spacing should be positioned on the upper side. Secure it with another set of M8x55 hardware just like before. Now repeat the same process to assemble the other end bracket assembly. Then switch to M8x50 screws and nuts to attach the remaining brackets through the short tube sleeves. Remember, none of these fasteners should be fully tightened yet. Time to mount the assembled rear bumper onto your vehicle. Use M8x20 flange hex head bolts and locking nuts here. Go ahead and tighten these particular bolts completely. These are your main anchor points. After adjusting the rear bumper perfectly, finish the job by giving all those previously loose screws their final tightening. Take your time, adjusting the alignment for locking everything down. then you'll have a perfect rear bumper to protect the rear of your vehicle. It does not interfere with the rear wheels. Even if the tailgate is lowered, there will be no interfere too, allowing you to enjoy your ride more.